I am Mohammad Raji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So last couple of videos we have discussed about what is mean by mean, weighted mean, also trimmed mean, and we have discussed about median, all those things. We discussed its formula and we have done some sample exercise also. So in this video we are going to show like how that can be implemented using Python. Okay, so there are a few Python package that we have to install first. Okay, so first is pip install numpy. Okay, so I have opened the Jupyter notebook, so just install pip install. Okay, then here, like in my case, pip is already installed. Okay, in your case it may take couple of seconds to install that. Then pip install pandas. Okay, then we have to install scipy. Okay, just install pip install scipy. Okay, so I have installed all these packages. Okay, in my machine it is already installed. Okay, so I have downloaded a US crime data set. Okay, so first we can try to read the data set. Okay, I have the data frame called as df, and so first we need to import this all these packages. So first we can import numpy, then we can import pandas, then we can import we need to import the in scipy we have to import trimmed mean. Okay, maybe this we can import later. Just concentrate on these two. One. Okay, first we can read a data frame. So I have a data frame. I will show you that, and I also will share this code and the data set to the JIT. Okay, I will attach this with the video. Then we have a data frame provides a method read CSV. Okay, can use read CSV, and my file is in the data set. Okay, then let me check my file name, dataset / state crime.csv. PD is not defined. Okay, let me check this. Okay, PD. Then we can type df.head. Okay, so this will give us the top 5 records. Okay, I can have only the top 5 records. Okay, this will give the top 5 records. Okay, so here we have a state, year, population, and everything is there. Okay, now we can see how can we calculate the average population. Okay, for that is very easy. We can select the particular column. So the column is data dot population. Okay, then we can type dot me. So this will give us the average or like mean population. Okay, to have the median is also like very simple. We already have population dot median. Okay, so we will have the median value also, and to calculate trimmed mean we have to use another package that is called the scipy package. Okay, for that we have to, so we already installed the scipy. Okay, can import trim mean. Okay, so there is a trim mean is available. Okay, so we can make use of this this package. So here I can give trim mean, then we have to, so just click on it. You can see a means the property. Okay, the property I can give df dot data population. df dot data population, then we have to give how much percentage we have to trim. See, that is the proportion cut out. So if we give 0.1, it is slice of leftmost and the rightmost 10% of the score, okay, from both sides. So I can give 0.1. I can give any value, but here I have given 0.1. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, this is not here. It's here. Still I am getting some error. Data population, because of following. Okay, I think there is a populations. There is some spelling error. There is no S here, only the data population. Okay, so this is the value of trim mean. Okay, we are getting this. Now we can see how can we calculate a weighted mean. Okay, so if you want to calculate average murder rate for the country, okay, so if that is the one that we need to calculate, we can use NumPy for that. Okay, if I want to calculate the average rate, I can use NumPy. So this is np means NumPy. We already installed the NumPy package and we have imported that here. Okay, so I can make use of that. np.average. Okay, np.average. I want to find out data frame. I'm going to take this rate. Okay, I'm going to take murder rate. Here we can see. Here we can see a murder rate. So I'm going to take this murder rate. I want to find murder rate. Okay, then as a weight, I can give df dot data dot population. Data dot population. So this is the weighted average of the murder rate in US. Okay, so I think we have discussed the major things. We have discussed the mean, we have discussed the median, we have discussed the trimmed mean, and we have discussed the weighted average mean also. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day.